$134, $268, $672. Yay! Amazing. And right off, I'm gonna add something else here, because in this market situation, I think we need that extra help. And I'm gonna start with just $70. So we have quite a bit of money for the insurance amount. Here we go, 70 for the first bead. And you can see that the price is stuck in a wide sideways range. So I'm expecting a rejection downward from the top of this range. The resistance is pretty strong, and we're gonna go for a put option. And let's wait for that drop, because it is going to happen, and we all know it. I always say, don't be afraid to use extra tools and extra instruments when you are unsure. You know, you can't be 100% sure at all times. So don't be afraid of the trend lines and parallel channels. It's all gonna help you. It's all gonna help you understand the market and get the profit. $134 right off the start. Great win. I mean, it is a great win, and that is just the start. So, okay, let's get the next asset pair, and I think that could be the one, but let's see. Again, we're gonna need a parallel channel here, right there, and right here. Okay, you can see there is no unnecessary moves. Let's double our bid and let's take a closer look. So there is no unnecessary moves in the channel except for a brief breakout. Vortex confirms a short move, and the Bollinger midline acts as a resistance. So a clear put option. Let's go for it. Guys, I have a really great TG channel. You will find the link below. And that is where I share everything I know and learn about trading with you. So if you're not already there, you are seriously missing out, because only the best, highly effective strategies, unique signals, and truly powerful insights are waiting for you there. So check it out. Don't forget. I tried really hard and I put a lot of time and effort into this, so I'm pretty sure you will appreciate it. Yes, $268. Excuse me. Well done. We are on the right track, and I'm going to pick the next asset pair. The payout is good. The market is pretty dynamic, and that's a good sign. Let's see. Carefully inspect every instrument before you make a decision. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna open a short option here as the price hit resistance at 1.49 and it's not moving higher. So I'm expecting a downward move here. And that's, I mean, the choice is simple. It's pretty clearly a put option, and we are going for it. You know what's interesting? I found out that my outfit has this ability to truly influence my mood, and I'm wearing this gorgeous It's really long, you can see, but it's really long and really flowy white dress. And I'm like united with the nature and united with the peaceful serenity around me. Yay! $268. Amazing. What can I say? Amazing. All right. Let's see if we can work with Australian and American dollars. Interesting. Well, I'm going to lower the bid this time. It's going to be just 70. And I can see that we are under a strong, heavy selling pressure. And all the indicators and Vortex confirm a very strict short. So going down and waiting for that drop to happen. Drop, drop, drop. Drop and drop and drop and drop. So yeah, please share in the comments, because I'm curious if you know whether your clothes also can influence your mood and your state of mind. I think it can. Honestly, clothes are much more powerful than we might think. That's just the feeling I have, and maybe it's mutual. $134. Yay! Amazing. Okay, let's keep going. And I think this time I might just get my bid up, like seriously up. Okay. Well, can we work with this one? I think so. Okay, I'm going to place, no, even more, $280. Yes, because I want to rise faster and get the results faster. And listen, we are moving strongly upward according to the zigzag, and there is no overbought signals. Guys, Vortex also shows room for more upside, and the super trend is confirming a long move. So that is going to be a long one. We are going for a call option here. Let's do it. Going up and up and up. And God, the songs, again, they start playing in my head. Do you have it sometimes, or is it just me? I'm like, you know, when a song sticks into my head and I can't get rid of that, it can last, I don't know, weeks, months, or sometimes even years. Ah, what a joke. And that is not a joke. $537. Crazy. I'm so happy. Well, let's do one more. I feel like we should do one more. I feel like that is not the end. This asset pair. Let's see the history. And I think it can work. Well. Yes, the dynamic is right here. And let's see. Okay. For the final one, I'm going to place $350 because I want to get that cash. You see that large bullish candle has formed, breaking past previous resistance. All the indicators confirm a strong trend continuation. So let's go for long. It's time to buy, and it's time to rise, and it's time to take the great profits. That's right. So exciting. Guys, and in case you need some extra help when it comes to trading, highly recommend you to check out my TG channel. You will find the link below. And I do everything I can to help you take your trading game to the next level. So check it out. And you'll get the same profits every time you trade. $672. Listen, I started so small, just 70 bucks, and I got over $1,000 in such a short period of time. That's the beauty of trading, and it's also such a fun and interesting and challenging process. I love it, and I'm sure if you're watching this, you love it too. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me along the way. That means the world to me. You are amazing. And once again, any help you need with your trading, I got you covered in my TG channel. The link is below, and every trading advice you might ever need is waiting for you there. No matter if you're just starting out or if you have some experience already, you will find something really, really important for you. Thank you once again. Stay amazing, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.